pushing, you see. We don't have to go that fast.
Yeah. This is the last one here.
You gotta love that.
Yeah.
Sam, you see.
Mom, where do you get these from?
That's Carol gave those to me today.
They're so pretty.
I put one on. This one too.
We're not doing a tree this year?
They are, but yeah, I don't know.
Whoa, look at this one. Mom, look at this one.
That's so pretty.
Rick.
Sam, look at this one. Look at this one.
What do we hit this one at, you guys? Rick, without the ribbon, what do we do with these?
You can put ribbon on there. You guys get to express your creativity.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make
There.
both.
Good job, Sammy.
I'm making the tree.
Oh, look at that freaking tree.
Lucy. Stop it.
It'll be up there.
You're gonna decorate your tree with that? Yeah.
Like this?
He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh.
Hey, Ethan.
Every mother's child is gonna spy to see a reindeer will know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1
So what about that song?
Although it's been
Yeah,
sung
over Sammy.
many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, here. I'll bring them.
Okay. So, all of these presents need name tags.
Do nothing.
Yeah, but you have to check them. You don't know who it's for.
Yeah, they have the names on it, but I need a name tag. Sammy's gonna do name tags and you're gonna do name tags. Some of them are for you.
Okay, I'm just gonna put both.
So just make sure that the ornaments are up first.
Sammy, say cheese.
We don't know what that is.
So
Is it a video?
the simple phrase,
Smile.
kids from 1 to 19.
Remember he was recording and he thought it was
Liz, smile, Liz, smile.
Many
Don't mind it. I'm
times,
not
many
done.
ways.
Mom, come on. You always have an excuse.
These are pretty cool, right?
Rick, we should put on something.
Careful.